Bitcoin has been really close to trying to pass above $30,000 once again, but it just can't seem to get over that hill. So we have an article that I will be going over in just a moment that talks about this. And I wanted to talk to you guys also for a moment as viewers of my channel, unless you're new to the channel, and then welcome guys, I appreciate you being here. But for those of you that are returning viewers on my channel, I'm just trying to better understand what it is that you are interested in. Would you like to see me do more videos on my channel that primarily focuses on what's the latest news with Bitcoin and the trading analysis of that itself? And I just basically focus on that. Occasionally I talk about some other tokens, but consistently it's about Bitcoin. Or do you want something else? And then on a side note, I do have another video that I uploaded earlier today, and I have no idea what's going on. I put tags on it. I think it has a nice thumbnail, and there's almost no clicks at all on the video, which is extremely unusual. I'm not sure what happened there. If you guys can, go check out the video. I talked about another project, and with that being said, let's go ahead and move forward. So taking a look over here at Bitcoin on the price chart. What we see is that yesterday, nice green day, both for the candle itself as well as the volume, a nice uptick from the previous day. But as of this moment, we have less than 10 minutes left to go. Volume is actually a little bit less than what we had on August 7th, and it is a pullback. It had a moment where it passed above $30,000 on the day. So the fact that we did that yesterday, we did that today, gives us an ample opportunity where maybe we can actually see that happen once again. But do keep in mind that we had this time period right here dating back to around July 17th going over to July 24th, where it was up and down, up and down, up and down, right around that $30,000 price level. And then even before that, it was above it, but the highest that we hit was just a little bit shy of $32,000. So we also have that 50 moving average, the 200 moving average, two indicators that I really like to use when I do my technical analysis here. And we can see that that 50 moving average has dipped down its angle just slightly. So essentially it looks like they're parallel at the moment, or roughly about parallel, the 50 green on top and the 200 moving average down there on the bottom. So overall we're still okay, but look at this. The distance between these two has extensively been essentially the same, just climbing like this. And you know, these things move in cycles, right? So when there's calm, then there's activity. We would hope that this is on the upswing. There's possibility that it could have some major pullback as well. So let's go ahead and go over the article here from Cointelegraph, which I will have a link to down in the description below. And it says, why is Bitcoin price stuck? Bitcoin price is stuck today, but several data points suggest it won't be for too much longer. The price of Bitcoin is stuck, fluctuating inside a narrow trading range, with futures markets remaining flat, nearing all-time lows. So why is Bitcoin price stuck? Bitcoin price is going through an unusually calm period, with several volatility indicators reaching new record lows. Currently, Bitcoin price is up nearly 2%, hitting an intraday high of 29,735. This article, of course, being written a little bit ago, because now we're at 29,574. But the upward Bitcoin price move remains within the flat market trend, where the price has been trading in the $28,670 range to $31,000 range. So let's dig into a few reasons why Bitcoin price is stuck in its current tight range. Bitcoin price sees record low volatility. While Bitcoin has had similar periods of sideways trading during the 2016 and 2019 cycles, the realized volatility of 2023 has reached multi-year lows. The one-year realized volatility metric hit levels not witnessed for Bitcoin price since December of 2016. Lowered realized volatility is coinciding with muted Bitcoin futures and options trading volume. Bitcoin derivatives are not the only major crypto asset approaching all-time lows in volume. Ethereum derivatives markets fell below January 2023 lows in August, with Bitcoin only seeing $19 billion in aggregate derivatives trade volume. It is nearing the January 2023 low. So what's next for Bitcoin? From a technical standpoint, Bitcoin's market price is holding above multiple key level long-term moving averages. The trend follows similar patterns of previous Bitcoin cycles. Despite the current low volatility and condensed range of Bitcoin price, Connor Ryder, the head of research and data at Athena Labs, does not expect it to last long. Ryder told Cointelegraph, Market depth for Bitcoin is pushing yearly lows and in periods of low liquidity. We tend to see more short-term volatility, both to the upside and the downside. As always, we have to step back and examine the bigger picture. Looking further ahead, the setup for a rally as we head into the next Bitcoin is certainly there. All the fundamentals are looking positive when examined on a longer time frame, and coupled with the potential of a spot ETF approval, sentiment could definitely pick up. But until then, I expect there to be periods of boring market action alongside some illiquidity-induced short-term moves. So what do you guys think about this? Do you feel that we are coming up at a time period where volatility is going to definitely kick up with Bitcoin? And do you think that we are on the verge of not only trying to pass above $30,000 and holding it, but just smashing right past the $32,000 price range? I sure as heck hope so. This period has been going sideways here for quite a while. Again, going back to around July 24th for that time period. And then we entered into the previous cycle back on June 21st. So not a lot of months overall. We did have a nice little price rise that came back up over here, dating back to June 15th. But even still, from a bigger picture perspective, look at this channel zone where this was going in. So back into that lower channel there. Ideally, we want to break up above and have a further continuation on. So besides that, I'll just go ahead and in this video include some of the other price updates for you guys real quickly. But again, I would love it and appreciate it. Please let me know in the comments if ideally for a video like this, if it would just be focusing on the Bitcoin trading news, and that's it. But I'll go ahead and go through quickly on this. So other cryptos, you can see Ethereum is down 0.02%, BNB is down 0.48%. We do have Flex is up 8.41%, seeing a lot of activity on that lately. We also have RPL up 8.83%, and then we have this APT token up 10.44%. OP token, some volatility going on there again. It's down 7.62%. And with XDC, it's down 7.85%. And then moving over, SafeMoon on the SafeMoon swap for the Binance side, it is up 1.85% in the last 24 hours. SafeMoon on Polygon is up 0.19%. SafeMoon on the Ethereum side is down 0.15%. BBTF is down 3.06%, and Pepe is up 5.01%. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I could really use your feedback here. You guys are my community, and I want to make sure that I'm making content that you guys enjoy. So your feedback is really appreciated. Please let me know in the comments below. And thank you also to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. And don't forget, I made another video earlier today. If you guys have some time, if you can go check that out, it's not very long. You can learn about another new project that is out there now. And God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.